Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing my January BoxyCharm. This is a regular box. This is the one that costs $21 plus tax a month. So the theme this month is Boxy and Chill. Put this to the side.
I ran my fingers across a couple times.
Wow. Okay. So this month they had a couple of different variations for the Tarte palette. I really want the pink one, so hopefully that's the one I got. Sometimes I get what I want, sometimes I don't, but we'll see this month. I'm gonna open that one first. Which one do you think I got? Ready? I didn't get the one I wanted. I got this one. Let's see what that one looks like. So, actually it's really pretty. That's actually really nice. It's actually really pretty. I like it. I would swatch it, but I don't know if I'm gonna give it as a gift to somebody or keep it. I'm still not sure. If I decide to keep it, I'll probably do swatches on another video. So that was that one. And then this one goes for $36. That's the retail price for this one. So next I'm gonna go in with the Briojo. And this is a moisture leave-in mask for your hair. They've given this out before. I don't remember what month it was, but I know they gave it out last year. And I know they gave it out last year because my sister got it in a box. But this one retails for $16. And I've gotten the hair mask before, but it was in a tube. And that one worked really well. So hopefully this one's good too. Gonna open this. That's the really cool package, by the way. Amuse Bouche or Boucher? Amuse Bouche lipstick.
Bougie.
Is that what it is?
Bougie.
Oh.
So it's actually bouge, not bougie.
Ooh, I like this. Interesting. Okay, that's cute. I don't really do pink though, but it's cute. It's a cute color. I think this will definitely be a birthday present for somebody. It's a cute color, but I don't do pink. Pink just makes my face look weird. I have a weird skin tone. Certain colors I can wear and certain colors I can't. Pink is a very tricky color for me. And then this one goes for Amuse Boucher. Bougie. Bougie. This one goes for $26. Okay. The next thing we're gonna go in for is this. Starlooks. This Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil, and this goes for $19. That's expensive for an eyeliner. That's a lot. But I saw kind of a review about it, or like a trial that they did on BoxyCharm Snapchat, and it was really good. It was really creamy and really dark, so that's pretty cool. And I'm actually running out of eyeliner, so I needed this. Next thing that I got was the Tatcha.
What did they teach you?
Huh?
What did they teach you?
Shut up. Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I've heard a lot about this brand actually. I heard it's really good. I personally have never tried it, but I'm excited to try this because my skin gets really dry during winter time, and yeah, my skin can really use the help on this. This goes for $24 for a 2-pack, I believe. It doesn't say, but I believe it's $24 for a pack of 2. But yeah, that was this month's box. I'm pretty content with what I got. The only thing that's a little weird for me is the fact that they're kind of recycling products that they've done before or that they've given out before. I mean, I don't mind. I like this brand, but I know there's probably some people who are probably not going to be happy about it. But I mean, overall, I'm happy with what I got. I mean, I like the palette. I really wanted the pink one, the one with the pink glitter on the front, but this palette's really cute. So I might use it. I'm not sure. Either that or probably give it as a gift to someone, just because I already have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and I don't need any more. But yeah, that was it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below and give it a thumbs up and follow my channel.